Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Centre Wrexham, proudly showing you today this lovely looking Volkswagen Transporter Kombi, available here in the range-topping Highline SWB base and powered by the more powerful 2.0 TDI 204 PS engine with a DSG gearbox and exterior finish in stunning Fortana red metallic colour. Key equipment highlights will include these upgraded and stylish full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, and there's even reassurance of front and rear fog lights, whilst around the sides 17-inch Devonport 5-spoke chrome alloy wheels will stand out beautifully against the paint. The redesigned full LED taillights will also offer your Transporter a distinctive look when travelling in the evening, as well as this model benefits from 2-seat bench as well as independent seating with 3 ISOFIX shut anchor points, and even the driver's side door also slides open for maximum convenience. The rubberized floor as well will feature eye lashings to tie down items, and a quick glimpse in the front will also offer a stylish cabin with twin front seats offering the captain's seat with twin armrests. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, operating most vehicle functions on the move. The TFT screen houses a digital speedometer, as well as a host of active safety systems. You can even operate your music and Bluetooth all at your fingertips, and overhead there's loads of storage solutions available with large cup holders. The infotainment touchscreen comes packed with the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio, with additional media source inputs such as those on the screen. Pairing your phone for Bluetooth is also incredibly easy, allowing you to stay in touch with family and friends, and Apple Connect will give you access to both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Numerous other vehicle system settings are also on offer, allowing for further personalization with an adjustable speaker sound system which will appeal to many of you. To help you park, audible and visual parking sensors are on offer at all times, with easy-to-use climate windscreen as well as air conditioning complemented by upgraded winter pack heated front seats. Down below, twin USB Type-Cs will also ensure your device's battery stays topped up. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline SWB that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.